Hi everyone, welcome to the future of injection excellence with the ungrading OTESALY Plus. Designed to deliver superior performance is the filler you've been waiting for. The ungrading designs bring both two sides into a unified modern look that's easy to store, present, and handle during treatments. Not just a new look, OTESALY Plus also features enhanced ergonomic push loads, making injection smooth and more efficient for doctors. We maintain our commitment to medical grade quality. Syringe and needle by BD Company for precision and reliability. 2-week medical grade paper to ensure superior hygiene. PET package for enhanced safety and durability. Backed by trusting quality, OTESALY Plus is a monophysic closed-link hyaluronic acid filler lasting 9 to 12 months. It's ideal for sculpting areas like the nose, chin, jawline, and more. OTESALY Plus isn't just a filler, it's your partner in creating beauty. Contact us today to elevate and upgrade your practice today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and DM us for more details.